The Keysight BuyOnLine store has two features to speed up your online ordering: Quick Add and Bulk Add. Quick Add places an item in your cart one at a time, whereas Bulk Add places a list of items in your cart. Both features are found on the BuyOnLine store landing page and in your cart summary page. They are designed to expedite adding known products to your cart with fewer clicks. Start by logging into your account so your cart can be saved and your account preferences ready at checkout. Then go to the BuyOnLine store by clicking the Buy button. You are now in the BuyOnLine store landing page. Quick Add is ideal when you already know what you need. Enter the model numbers one at a time in the Quick Add field, while other configurations may be available to order. As you type, the autocomplete feature will show you the instrument configurations that are currently available in the BuyOnLine store. Choose, click, and the product is added to your cart. If you have a list of products, click Add them all. By using Bulk Add, reorders and purchase order lists of products can be input quickly and accurately. Type your list, one model number per line. If they are available in the store, they will be added to your cart. If there are several options or configurations, you will be prompted to choose. And if the item is not currently available in the BuyOnLine store, a link is provided so you can search for an alternative solution or order the product through a different sales channel. Or you can copy and paste from an entire list from a program such as Microsoft Word or Excel. But be sure to list only model numbers, without descriptions, and with a return after each entry so there is only one item per line. You can update quantities in your cart or on the cart summary page. On the cart summary page, you can confirm availability and lead times. Click More to review a product configuration. And check out. Once your order is submitted, you will receive an order acknowledgement email. If anything needs to be confirmed, a customer service representative will contact you. Once your order is accepted, you will receive a confirmation email. And when the order ships, an email with a tracking number. And help is always available for assistance with online ordering, questions about products, or custom configurations. Come experience for yourself the convenience and benefits of Keysight's BuyOnLine store, where shipping is always free.